Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add footnote in WPS Office. So for example, if you would like to add a footnote, you need to go to References tab. Then you need to select the word where you want to add a footnote. For example, I'm going to select this one, a text, and then I click Insert Footnote. It will add a note at the bottom of the page providing more info about something in your document. So I click here, and now you can type here a footnote. For example, sometimes it may be 10 if someone gets red card. Okay, so we have already created here a footnote. We can click somewhere outside the text, maybe somewhere here. And then if you will scroll up, and now if you will move position above 11 text on the number 1, and you will click double time on it, you will be sent to footnote. So it is how it works. If I helped you to create it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's not your problem.